She's adorable. She's amazing. She's multi-talented. She cares for us. She's hard worker. She loves us. She is Mananivi. Let's start our second part of our session, revealing the surprise. Over to you, Pranit.
शामें मलंग सी रातें सुरंग सी बागी उड़ान पे ही न जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए गल पे शामें मलंग सी रात
To Nivi. Thanks for coming into my life. You are my first friend in this college. You are amazing, fantastic, caring friend. I can't say about you in words. Just I love you. Thanks for coming into my life.
सुरंग सी
Okay, Vaishu is not there. Hello, my dear Nimi. You are amazing and super power girl. I like your obsession in every week, and we learn so many new things in your obsession. You are always there for me. Your write up is too good, Nivi. I like way you are expressing. You are always told anything with smile. I really like that way. Love you, Nivi. You are Vaishu.
बागी उड़ान पे ही न जा
Hey, my dear Nivi, you know what? You make so many of us happy just by expressing yourself. You do not know how big it is. The way you are growing is helping me do more and more and express more. You are one of my favorite people, my girl. I love you so much.
जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए
Shavant is not there. Okay.
Okay. Hey Nivi, your obsession has been a great motivation for me. You always come up with some innovation ideas. Your messages, your posts, and the amazing stories in the book have really inspired me. I feel connected whenever you express, and I feel like they are relatable for me. Your way of expression is unique, Nivi. Thank you so much for letting me express and guiding us. We can see your efforts and dedication towards your obsession, and the way you lead the session with confidence is very impressive. Thank you, Nivi, for supporting me from the beginning. I am glad that I know you, and you are one of my closest friends who understands me so well. From Shravanti.
इलाही मेरा जी आए
Anyway, we are missing you and missing your essence in today's obsession, but happy to organize your obsession. Like saying about you means I just get smile on my face and collect some of the beautiful moments we have. And saying about what you are doing means I don't have words because that big you are doing. You just inspire me in every aspect, and I feel so confident and happy after talking with you, and that makes my day. Whenever I feel low, the way you make me realize or the strength you give me makes me feel so complete. You create positive vibes and happiness around you. That's your specialty. Thank you so much, Neil, for making me part of your obsession, and you are doing a great job. And so happy for you and so proud of you. I feel like blessed to have you in my life. Just do whatever you feel and whatever you like. Hope you are smiling while reading this. Last but not least, I'm always there for you, Nivi.
Maybe your obsession is obsession for many of us. We always love to join your obsession. We enjoy a lot in your obsession. The way you come up with new activities, the way you encourage everyone to express themselves is always infinite. Thank you, Nivi, for everything you do and take for us. Thank you for giving us your obsession.
Yes, my dear Inti, you are best. You give your best in everything you do. Friendship, work, expressing. You always stood by my side and never let me down. Thank you for all the love and care. Your Supi. Hey Nivi, hashtag cat lover. You are becoming an amazing person day by day. You are a top expresser. I am very grateful to you. I am seeing your growth day by day. You are really a wonderful person who takes initiative all the time. Thank you so much for being in my life. I am so glad we got connected a lot in a little time. We will support each other when we are feeling low. I am getting inspired a lot through your obsession. You are involved in many things and balancing everything in a stable way. And you will never give up. You are becoming the best version of yourself. I wish all the very best for your future. We will definitely celebrate our success together. You are powerful, strong, and evergreen. You are thoughtful, kind, sweet, and caring. I am really obsessed with your top expressing. I am eagerly waiting to learn many more things from you. We have a very strong bond and we will definitely explore many things together. Love you lots, Nivi. And don't forget that I am always there for you. From Nisha. Thank you, Pranit, for the wonderful video. So now let us get into another session that is we thought to take you into Nivi's world of expression with a small video. Over to you, Pranit.
चली रे जुनू को लिए कतरा कतरा रंग हो को पिए पिंजरे से उड़ा दिल का शिकरा खुद ही से मैंने इश्क किया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ छोटे छोटे लम्हों को तितली जैसे पकड़ो तो हाथों में रंग रह जाता है Named Queen Victoria पंखों से जब छोड़ो तो वक्त चलता है वक्त का मगर रंग उतरता है आखिरा उड़ते उड़ते फिर एक
Cesare Polante.
पकड़ लिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया
Wow, it is amazing video. Nivi's Blog Center. Okay, then there is another big surprise. So here comes wonderful journey of our craziness. Over to you, Pranit.
तुझ पे मेरी है दावेदारियां, तुझसे है दिल की साझेदारियां, साझेदारियां। तुझ पे मेरी है दावेदारियां, तुझसे है दिल की साझेदारियां। तेरे बिन सांसें लूं तो जी ना सकूं, अब तू ही बता क्या मैं करूं, क्या करूं, क्या करूं। Girl, I need you, girl, I need you, girl, I need you, never leave you, girl, I need you, girl, I need you, girl, I need you, never leave you। सुबह से शाम तक लम्हे बाहों में तेरी गुजारूं, चेहरा तेरे सामने रख के इस दिल में आज उतारूं। हो आंखों का नशा गुलाबी, अब रहा न जाए जरा भी। तू दे पर निश्चल पी लूं, तेरे नाम का बनूं शराबी। उतरे ना तेरी खुमारी, भूलूं मैं दुनिया सारी। हो गर्ल विद टाइम आई सी यू, बढ़ती जाए बेताबी। Girl, I need you, girl, I need you. Never leave you, girl, I need you. Girl, I need you, girl, I need you. Never leave you.
पहली दफा आंखों से है ये नींद खफा कि तेरी ओर चल पड़ा ये दिल का रास्ता। पहली दफा आंखों से है ये नींद खफा कि तेरी ओर चल पड़ा ये दिल का रास्ता।
तो तेरी धड़कन से मेरी धड़कन अब जुड़ने लगी। क्या मैं करूं, क्या करूं, क्या करूं? Girl, I need you. Girl, I need you. Girl, I need you. Never leave you. Girl, I need you. Girl, I need you. Girl, I need you. Never leave you.
Yes, this is our journey till now, and this is our journey with Mananivi.